Good evening, everybody. Today we are going to be taking a walk along Bond Street, which is sort of the high-end shop area of London. And we're going to start at Old Bond Street, and it links into New Bond Street. It was built in the 1720s, and by the end of the 18th century, it was a very popular place for the upper-class residents of Mayfair to socialise or do some expensive shopping. So we're just going to have a walk along and see what shops there are here. We've got Richard Mill on our right hand side there. It's quite early evening now, and it's still March, and it's getting dark quite early still, and it's been raining all day today as well, so it's been a bit of a wet and cold day. So wrapped up warm today. There's probably still some rain on the floor, as you can see, and the light's fading a bit as well, so please forgive any jumpy video. Over there to our left and right in front of us is Cartier, so a very high-end shop there. Usually you get to see some real cool cars as well. One coming up now. It's a, what is that? Is that a Ferrari? Yes, a Ferrari. It's quite cool. And over there to the left is Gucci. We're just going to take a leisurely walk the whole length of Bond Street. As you can see by the clock there, around 7:15. We've got Prada on our right hand side. Here we are. Not too busy tonight. The amount of pedestrians and shoppers, mainly down to the weather, I'd assume. Over there to the left, we have Rolex coming up. And then there's the Royal Arcade. Just some lovely shops in it. I'll do another video. We're not going to go down there today. We're going to try and get this street done before it gets too dark. And over there, in front of us, Tiffany and Co. It's a very nice statue here. This is a horse and rider, just outside the Ralph Lauren shop. And coming up is one of the iconic red telephone boxes. Another Cartier shop there. We're just going to carry on going along the street. A red post box here. Some of these brands I've never heard of, so forgive me if I don't mention all of them. Harry Winston, is it? Yes. There's some really cool shops along this street. I'm afraid much of it's out of my price range, but if you have a few pounds to spare, or quid as we like to call it in England, come along. I'm sure you can get yourself something quite fancy. So Old Bond Street isn't very long. New Bond Street's the longest part of Bond Street. Winston Churchill on the bench with somebody. I didn't quite catch who that was. Over to our left we have Dior. Dior was the sponsor of Harrods Christmas display in 2022. And Louis Vuitton on our right. Chanel now, coming up to Chanel. There's quite a few fancy cars waiting outside, so maybe there's some celebrity or something inside. And there's Louis Vuitton's windows. Hermes on my left, and this is a Burberry shop on the right, but no windows. Maybe it's being refurbished or something, or whether that's intentional, I don't know. Let's just cross the road while the green man is there. Oh, there he goes, countdown. And to our left there we've got one of these sort of little tut-tut things you see in London quite often. Another Gucci coming up to our left. And Jimmy Choo to our right there. Longchamp. And there's the front of Gucci. It's opening up soon. As I say, very high-end shops here. Fendi to our left there. Got Sotheby's actually here as well on the right. So there's Fendi. Roger Vivier. What do they sell? Shoes. Okay. Quite fancy. If you're enjoying this walk, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. It's free to do so. It really does help us out. Leave any comments down below and hit the like button as well. That would really be appreciated. Thank you. Strange flowers there. Versace to our right here. We'll just wait across the road for a second. Have a look behind us. The roadworks happening there, bit of construction. Mulberry there to our right. And there's Emporio Armani. Boss over there on the other side of the road to our left. And Fenwick to our right coming up. Victoria's Secret, some underwear. Just waiting across the road again. nothing coming, so let's do it. You may not be able to see it, but it is actually getting a bit dark now. The camera's probably struggling, sorry about that. There are some shops here I've never heard of. Also a gallery to our left. Even if you don't plan to spend any money, it's really good to just come out and walk down this street. You do a bit of shopping, window shopping I should say. You go inside and see what these shops have to offer. Some real cool stuff. Right, well we're coming to the end of our stroll down Bond Street. So again, please, if you've liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and we will hopefully see you in the next video. Just going to go down this side street now and have a look at these. There's a postcard tea shop there. And the bar. Lots of people outside having a drink. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Take care now. Bye.